From classic V8s starting at just $700 to cars under $3,000, these 15 are worth a closer look. Number 1. 1962 Ford Falcon, $2,800, Ansonia, Ohio. This 1962 Ford Falcon is listed for $2,800 in Ansonia, Ohio. It has a 170 cubic inch inline 6 with a 2-speed automatic transmission and currently runs, drives, and shifts. The car has move front brake lines and wheel cylinders, but the brakes still need bleeding, while the rear brakes also need work. The Falcon has brand new tires with 0 miles on them, along with patched areas in the rusty floor. The front seat needs to be redone and the exhaust manifold is cracked. It is being sold as a running project and will need a trailer for transport. Number 2. 1978 Cadillac Sedan Deville, $3,000, in Manassas, Virginia, with 105,877 miles and a 425 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. The seller says it runs very well, shifts properly, and stops, with a rebuilt carburetor, new battery, tires, fuel pump, and fuel line. The car is described as a second-owner vehicle with a known history and a clean title. Most features are reported to work, although there are cosmetic issues, some rust, an oil leak, a hole in the rear muffler, and a landau top that needs replacement. The brakes also need to be checked before it is considered road-ready. Number 3. 1972 Mercury Montego, $2,500, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1972 Mercury Montego is listed for $2,500 in Kansas City, Missouri, with 99,085 miles and an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives and is looking for the best cash offer. The listing also mentions a 400 engine with an automatic transmission and says the car may be parted out for $1,500 with a bill of sale and no title. Because the listing contains different pricing and title details, those points would need to be clarified with the seller. Number 4. 1962 Ford Falcon, $3,000, Mattoon, Illinois. Another 1962 Ford Falcon is available for $3,000 in Mattoon, Illinois. This example shows 89,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and green exterior and interior. The seller says everything is present and that the car has been stored for approximately 2 years. After being taken out of storage, the seller was unable to get the Falcon running. A new headliner and new carpet are included and are still in their boxes, giving the next owner some restoration parts to work with. Number 5. 1978 Toyota Celica GT Liftback, $3,000, Dublin, Virginia. This 1978 Toyota Celica GT Liftback is listed for $3,000 in Dublin, Virginia. It has 75,000 miles, a 5-speed manual transmission, red exterior paint, and a black interior. The listing identifies it as a gasoline-powered car. The seller notes that the car has a 20R engine and specifically points buyers toward the photos for more information. Beyond that, the listing provides limited mechanical details, so the current running and driving condition would need to be confirmed in person. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $3,000, Racine, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is offered for $3,000 in Racine, Ohio, with 107,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It has a Chevrolet 350 engine and a 350 turbo automatic transmission, along with new tires, a new fuel tank, and a new carburetor. The Camaro reportedly runs well, but was parked last summer and has not been worked on since. The shifting linkage still needs to be connected, and the brakes require some work, So while the engine runs, the car still needs attention before regular road use. Number 7. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, $3,000, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala is listed for $3,000 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It is a non-SS model with a 283 engine and automatic transmission. The car was recently pulled from a pasture and cleaned up, but it currently does not run and the engine condition is unknown. The body has rust, including a softer spare tire pan, and the front seat is missing. The seller says the car was reportedly running and driving when originally parked, and that the tires and air shocks hold air well enough for loading. A clean title is included. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT, $2,800, Seymour, Tennessee. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT is offered for $2,800 in Seymour, Tennessee. It has a 350 V8 with an automatic transmission and has been sitting for approximately 34 years. Despite the long storage period, the seller describes the car as very solid for its age. The engine does start and run, but the Camaro needs floor pans and will need to be transported by trailer. The seller is offering it for cash with no trades and describes the car as being sold in the conditions shown. Number 9. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85, $2,500, Owensville, Missouri, or $2,000 if the buyer brings their own wheels. This 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 four-door is listed for $2,500 in Owensville, Missouri, or $2,000 if the buyer brings their own wheels. It has an automatic transmission and the original 330 Oldsmobile engine. The 330 engine is described as being in need of a rebuild or replacement, while the condition of the transmission is unknown. The seller also has frame mounts for installing a small block Chevrolet engine, which are included with the car. The body is described as very solid overall, with rust-through around the rear windshield channel. The car also needs new carpet and upholstery, and the brakes will likely need attention. The seller is mainly looking for cash, but may consider trades. This is another project-oriented classic, with a solid starting point, but several mechanical and body-related jobs still ahead. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $1,000, Evington, Virginia. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is one of the lower-priced cars in the group, listed at $1,000 in Evington, Virginia. The seller describes it as a project requiring a complete restoration. It has a 350 engine, although the seller says they do not know much about its current condition. No running or driving condition is provided in the listing. The car comes with a title, which gives the next owner documentation to work with as the restoration progresses. At this price, it is clearly being offered as a long-term project rather than a ready-to-drive car. For someone looking specifically for a second-generation Camaro restoration, this one represents a low entry price, but the listing makes it clear that substantial work will be required. Number 11. 1967 Mercury Cougar, $2,500, Jeffersonville, Indiana. This 1967 Mercury Cougar is listed for $2,500 in Jeffersonville, Indiana. It is a non-running project with a 289 engine that turns over freely and what the seller believes to be a C4 automatic transmission. The car also has an 8-inch rear end,
factory air conditioning, and a clear Indiana title in the seller's name. The seller has the gauges and center console, but the drive shaft is missing. The biggest stated issue is the floor area, which needs replacement floor pans. The seller describes the car as needing extensive work overall and does not present it as a quick restoration. For a buyer interested in a first-generation Cougar, this is a more involved project with several missing or unfinished components. The clear title and existing drivetrain parts are among the details provided in the listing. Number 12. 1971 Triumph Spitfire 1500, $3,000 in Independence, Ohio. This 1971 Triumph Spitfire 1500 is offered for $3,000 in Independence, Ohio. The car has a manual transmission and a newly rebuilt engine that is reportedly run for less than 5 hours. The engine has not yet been fully broken in, and the car has spent considerable time sitting after the previous owner began the project. A brand new convertible top is included, but still needs to be installed. The car also needs a windshield and comes with rare magnesium wheels. The seller states that the vehicle has a clean title and is being offered as the owners move on to other projects. With the rebuilt engine already in place, this Spitfire has a different starting point from many of the non-running projects in the list. The remaining work is mainly centered around completing the car and addressing its unfinished restoration details.
Number 13. 1976 Jeep CJ7, $3,000, Gaylord, Michigan. This 1976 Jeep CJ7 is listed for $3,000 in Gaylord, Michigan, with 57,509 miles, a 304 V8, and a 3-speed manual transmission. It also has lockout hubs, a best top soft top, and removable soft doors. The Jeep was reportedly running when it was last registered and parked indoors in 2010. The engine currently turns by hand, but the seller has not attempted to start it because of the long storage period. The long period of storage means the mechanical condition should be checked before putting it back on the road. The seller is offering the Jeep for $3,000 or best offer and is not looking for trades. Overall, this is an older CJ7 with relatively low stated mileage and several desirable original-style features. Its next stage will depend largely on what is found after a careful inspection and recommissioning process.
Number 14. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster, $3,000, Prattville, Alabama. This 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster is available for $3,000 in Prattville, Alabama. It has a manual transmission, a blue exterior, and an off-white interior, and the seller describes it as a restoration project. The car has received several mechanical updates, including a rebuilt 216 engine, a new clutch kit, starter, and carburetor. The wheels and tires are also new. The electrical system has been upgraded from the original setup to 12 volts. These updates give the car some completed mechanical work before the remaining restoration begins. The listing does not provide a detailed running condition report, so the current operating status would need to be confirmed with the seller. At $3,000, it is presented primarily as an older Chevrolet restoration project. Number 15. 1971 AMC Gremlin, $700, Brookline, Missouri. This 1971 AMC Gremlin is the lowest priced car in this group at $700 in Brookline, Missouri. It has an automatic transmission, brown exterior and interior, and is being offered as a non-running project. The seller states that the Gremlin has dents and will need to be transported by trailer. There is no title mentioned in the listing, so documentation should be clarified before any purchase. The listing also offers a spare engine along with the car for $700, while the car alone is offered for $500. A trade may also be considered. At this price, the Gremlin is clearly aimed at someone looking for an inexpensive restoration or parts project. Its condition and missing documentation make an in-person inspection especially important before making a decision. That's the list for today. From affordable projects to running classics, each one has its own story. Which car would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.